Welcome back to Life as Usual. Previously, I have showed you how to save yourself in a case of misfueling of your Range Rover Evoque using a tool like this one. And today I'm going to show you how to do it in the original Range Rover. This specific one is the L322. And the way to do it, I'm gonna mimic a misfuel. So I'm gonna take this tool from the back and I'm gonna shove it in. And what happened, if you can see inside, there's a yellow cap that comes up. And I have a feeling you landed on this video because that happened with you. To resolve this issue, if you can take a look here, on top of this bit here, there are two pins. Those two pins lock in at the top of where the filler is. So if you take a look here, those two holes there are three actually. What you need to do is get those two, and what we need to do is we need to put them inside those two holes here as such, like so. Now that it's in, what you need to do is push it down and pull it back like so. So front and then back. Let's repeat that. So I'm gonna mimic the fact that we've misfueled. You can see those two holes on top. I'm gonna push this one inside and hook them in like that. Once they're in, I'm gonna push forward and then backwards. Okay, forward and then backwards. And that is how you remove that. And now you would fill your fuel as you normally do. So I'm sure that happened with you because you have accidentally tried to put petrol instead of diesel, and this will save you. You should find this in the back of your car near your spare tire. I know that the previous video was helpful for you guys, so hopefully it was helpful for you this one as well. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.